Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new leads from TikTok to ClickSend. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from TikTok to other systems. For example, in ClickSend you can create new contacts and set up mailings for them. Now let's move on to setting up. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, select the data source system, TikTok. Now, select the system where you want to transfer new leads from TikTok. In this case, select ClickSend, Add Contacts. At this stage you need to connect your TikTok account to the Save My Leads service. In this window you must specify the login and password of your TikTok personal account. At this stage you need to give Save My Leads access to work with your TikTok account. All access checkboxes must be enabled. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. Next, you need to select an advertising page and form. After that, click Continue. At this stage, you need to connect your ClickSend account to the Save My Leads system. In this window, you need to specify the login and API key. To do this, go to your ClickSend personal account. Next, go to the developer's API credentials section. Copy the login and API key and paste them into the appropriate fields in the Save My Leads system. When the required fields are filled in, click Continue. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. Next, select List to which we will add new contacts. Now, you see the ClickSend fields for creating new contacts. In these fields you can assign variables from TikTok. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can use not only variables, but also enter values manually. For example, to add a plus before the phone number, if there is none. When all the required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of data, which will be sent to ClickSend as new contacts with each new lead from TikTok. If you are not satisfied with something, click back and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to ClickSend. After successful sending, go to ClickSend and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for new leads from TikTok to be instantly sent to ClickSend, you need to enable Auto Update. To do this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the name of the connection, you can do this in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.